guys, share ko lang ang
Thanks for watching.
Konnyaku noodles or shirataki noodles. Thanks always for watching.
Black sesame. Lagay natin. Hello everyone. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ginawa ko siyang konnyaku at saka ang shirataki for diet, guys. Need ko mag-diet for today lang. Diet now. Lemon letter, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang sarap po. Konnyaku at saka yung shirataki, gin-mix ko na lang. Tapos, naglagay ako ng mushrooms at saka bell pepper at saka carrots. Thanks for watching. Transfer din sa ano, lalagyan natin guys ito.